Take a look at this character. From every angle, it already looks incredibly detailed. The armor, the clothing, the accessories, everything feels rich and realistic. But here's the real question. What happens when we zoom in? Usually, that's where many 3D models begin to lose their quality. So today, I'll recreate this character using V2Fun and see just how well those fine details hold up throughout the entire workflow. Every great 3D model starts with a great concept. Inside V2Fun, I'll begin by describing my character with a simple text prompt. Within a few moments, the AI generates a detailed concept image that will be the foundation of our 3D model. Now it's time to transform this image into a fully textured 3D model. V2Fun gives you multiple ways to do this. You can generate a model from a single image, use multiple reference images like the front, back, left, and right views for greater accuracy, or even generate directly from a text prompt. For this project, I'll use the single image workflow and let the AI build the model. The model is ready, and at first glance it already looks impressive, but I don't just want to see it from a distance. Let's inspect it closely. As I rotate the model and zoom in, the facial features remain well defined, the clothing patterns stay visible, and the engraved details are still easy to appreciate. Being able to inspect these small details is especially useful when creating close-up renders, portfolio pieces, or character showcases.
Oh, this is so exciting! V2Fun is truly amazing. I mean, creating 3D objects too, that's just next level. Imagine all the props and accessories we can make for our scenes. And the detail, they say it's incredible even up close. I can't wait to try it out.
If you'd like to try V2Fun yourself, check out the link in the description.